From the cartridges that started it all to the silicon that powers tomorrow. Every circuit,
Subscribe and join the hunt.
From the cartridges that started it all to the silicon that powers tomorrow. Every circuit,